How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about something fun today. How to talk about the future in English.
Oh, nice. That's a big topic, but also super helpful for beginners.
For sure. But before we jump in, maybe we should introduce ourselves.
We always forget to do that. True. Okay. I'm John. I live in Seattle, and I love coffee, hiking, and complaining about the rain.
That sounds about right. And I'm Emma. I live in Chicago, and I love making videos about simple English and donuts. I love donuts.
You really do. I've seen you eat 3 in a row.
Hey, they were small.
Sure. Anyway, since you're thinking about the future today, what brought that up?
Well, I was planning my weekend, and I realized I kept saying things like, I'm going to do this, or I will do that, and I thought, ooh, this is perfect to talk about.
Nice. Yeah, talking about the future in English is actually pretty simple once you hear it in real life.
Exactly. And maybe we can show the different ways, like will, be going to, and even present continuous.
Let's do it, but let's keep talking like normal people, so learners can hear how it sounds naturally.
Totally. So, John, what are you going to do this weekend?
Oh, man. I'm going to visit my parents. They live about 2 hours away. My mom already told me, John, we're going to cook a big dinner, so I guess I'm going to eat a lot.
That sounds nice, though.
Yeah, it'll be fun. How about you? What are you going to do?
I think I'm going to clean my apartment. It's getting scary. Like, I opened my closet yesterday and something fell out. I don't even know what it was.
That sounds dangerous. I'll pray for you.
Thanks. I'll need it.
Okay, so let's break that down. When we say, I'm going to visit my parents, or I'm going to clean my apartment, that's be going to. We use it for plans, things we already decided.
Right. And it feels very natural in normal conversation.
Supernatural.
But sometimes we use will, like, I'll pray for you. That was nice, by the way.
You're welcome.
So, will is often for decisions we make right now, in the moment. Or promises, like, I'll call you later.
Or predictions, too. Like, it will rain tonight. Actually, it probably will, knowing Seattle.
Yeah, if you live in Seattle, you can use will for rain every day, and you'll be right half the time.
True.
Oh, and then there's the present continuous for the future. Like, I'm meeting my friend tomorrow.
Yeah, it sounds like you have a schedule. Something already arranged.
Exactly. Actually, I'm meeting my cousin tomorrow night for dinner.
Oh yeah? Where are you guys going?
We're going to this new Thai place. It looks really good.
Nice. So that's be going to again, because it's your plan.
Yep.
You know what? Maybe we should give a few simple examples for beginners, like small, everyday things.
Good idea. How about I will help you?
I'm going to watch a movie tonight.
I'm visiting my friend on Saturday.
I'm visiting my friend on Saturday. The store will open at 9.
We're going to have a party next week.
I'll bring snacks.
And I'll bring donuts.
Of course you will.
So listeners can hear the difference. Will, going to, and present continuous. But in real life, people mix them all the time.
Definitely. Even native speakers don't think about it too much. We just talk.
Exactly. So learners shouldn't stress about being perfect. Just pick one and say it. With practice, it gets super easy.
Speaking of the future, do you have any big dreams for next year?
I think I'm going to travel more. I want to visit Japan. I've been dreaming about it for years.
That's awesome. I hope you go. And I think you will. You always make your goals happen.
Aw, thanks, John. What about you? Any future dreams?
I'm going to try to write a book. Nothing big. Maybe stories for English learners.
That's not small. That's amazing.
We'll see. But yeah, that's the future I'm hoping for.
I love that. And honestly, this is a good example for learners too, talking about hopes and dreams with future grammar.
True. Like, I will try, or I'm going to visit, or even I hope I will.
Exactly.
All right, so what's our big takeaway for today?
I guess it's this. Talking about the future in English is simple. You can use will, be going to, or the present continuous. Don't worry about using them perfectly. Just talk about your plans, your hopes, and the things you want to do.
Yep, and the more you use them, the more natural they will feel.
Well said.
Thanks for hanging out and practicing with us today.
And we'll see you next time.
See? We will see you next time.
Perfect future sentence.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.